Hello and welcome to Plastotech English. So guys, in this particular video I am going to tell you about what are the things in the login page of your injection molding HMI. Human interface, I am talking about your PLC. So guys, in this particular video I am going to tell you about what are the things you are going to get in this particular login page. Login page is an important page. For example, when you want to enter in your HMI, when you turn on your machine, you have to just do your login for all the settings and all. There are certain user level and other passwords. So I'm going to discuss on that particular things. You have to just focus on this mouse pointer, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon and just stay connected with us. So guys, here you can see that the login page has been opened. Here it has been written as login. Before that, in the previous videos, I have told you about the monitor page, fast set page, time set, input output and login. So guys, in this particular login you can see certain things like current user level. What does this current user level means? So guys, in this particular current user level means that it's talking about your current users. That means which user you are using. For example, there are certain things like here you can see that manufacturer, operator, manager, engineer, manufacturer, system supplier. So who are you? Are you an operator? Then you have the password of your operator level. If you are a manager of that firm, you will get the password for the manager, engineer, manufacturer, system supplier. Each different for each and every one there is a different password. For example, there is a separate password for operator, separate password for manager, separate for engineer, separate for manufacturer and separate for system supplier. In this, for example, if you have been selected as operator, then what will happen? Only settings related to the operator level you can adjust, like some changes you cannot do which has your above the password level. For example, which setting the manufacturer level password can do, that setting operator level password cannot do. But the manufacturer level password or system supplier level password, people can do each and every other settings. So this is an important one. Why there is not a single password? Because if there will be only one password for all the settings, many settings can be damaged by the people who are not familiar with all the settings. So guys, whichever level will be selected here, that will be shown in the current user level. For example, right now we have selected manufacturer here. So you can clearly see here it has been there as manufacturer. So you have to type the manufacturer password. For example, the password is 12345. You will type here and the user level for manufacturer will be open, and you can set all the things whichever has the access for the manufacturer level. You can access to those settings. So guys, this was an important thing. Hope you got that video. You like our channel, share our video and stay connected for further.